Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix on hold Gcash account. So let's begin. First, I would like you to go to your phone settings and go to Gcash application. Try to clear everything like the cache and cookies. Okay. Then I would like you to look this up. Go to Gcash Help Center. Okay, on Google. Select the first option. Then you would like to go to your account. Click your account and on the search bar, type account is on hold. Okay, you can click on this first option. Try to see anything that might help you out, like verifying your identity and following these steps, SMS, receiving email. However, you can actually click on chat with GG. This is much more helpful and just type anything or inform GG anything about why your Gcash account is on hold and why you think this is a mistake. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.